Got clients looking to improve their credit for home buying? We've got the tools for that. At Fairway Independent Mortgage Corporation, we offer in-house credit improvement services at no cost to our mortgage loan applicants. CrediTool consists of a team of FCRA certified credit analysts trained to run a what-if simulator and other credit services to help create credit improvement action plans for borrowers. How can CrediTool help your clients? CrediTool can assist your clients who do not qualify for a loan and need an action plan to help them improve their credit. CrediTool can also assist your clients who need to increase their credit score quickly to get the best possible rate and terms for the mortgage they applied for. CrediTool also assists your clients who need erroneous data fixed in their credit report quickly while in the loan process. For experienced analysts who will help your clients through every step of their credit improvement planning, contact Fairway today.